guys, welcome back again to my channel and my kitchen. Welcome also to It's the month of July, all juices, all tea. Now if you want to see the juice that I have ready to share with you guys what I drink in my kitchen, hang on and let's get going.
Here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
So I'm gonna use my celery for the juice here, a green apple, an avocado, and a cucumber. So guys, you know that celery is really good for you. It's full of a whole heap of vitamins and minerals. It has vitamin K, whole heap of fiber, and that fiber is going to really clean out your system. Can you imagine how your system is going to be cleansed from the inside out? That's why you have to include celery into your diet. Alright, they always say an apple keep the doctor away. So I'm going to use a green apple into this recipe. My cucumber, right there, I'm going to add a cucumber, guys. Cucumber is filled with vitamins, vitamin A and C. And it's also, that skin is rich in fiber, whole heap of fiber and minerals. So you want to keep on your cucumber skin. Anytime you're doing cucumber, keep it on. You're throwing away the best part of the cucumber. Now I'm going to add my avocado to my drink. My avocado is a healthy heart diet. So if you have heart problem, heart condition, all that stuff, your heart acting a fool, you need to grab yourself an avocado. Avocado is filled with vitamins and folic acid, so you want to include that avocado to your diet. I'm going to mix this all up in a blender and we're going to just drink our way. So come and let me show you what I'll be drinking. Okay guys, we're moving on to our very first step. Now let's talk about our celery. Now celery is like this. Now when you wash your celery, you're ready to get it into the blender, don't peel it. You just want to go ahead and cut it up and just drop in the blender just like that. Reason is because when you break that celery, see all of that right there? That is the fiber from your celery, and that is what you need. That thing is going to go inside of you, and that's going to clean all them things. It's going to go into corners you never know exist, and it's going to get in between the cracks and the crannies, and it's going to clean that stomach up real good. It's like detox without detox, so you don't want to throw it out. So you go ahead and put your avocados in, put your celery in. I'm going to go ahead and put your cucumbers in and your apple, and add your water in and blend away. And there you have it guys, all done. You can also add honey to it if you like, just to sweeten it up a little bit, but I'm just gonna have mine just like that. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. Another month of July, juices and tea all through this month. Request for food recipe will be starting August 1st, so I hope you'll enjoy these recipes that's coming at you. Once again guys, love you, and from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.